Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're just joining us, so glad to have you. Welcome to the family. In today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to create a slicing effect like this flyer you're seeing here using Pixellab. I'm going to be showing two ways in which you can achieve this. So if you want to know how I created this effect, stay tuned and keep watching. So the first thing you want to do is to open your Pixellab, and after you've done that, let's go back to a blank page, and then we are going to select a shape. We're going to select a rectangular shape like this. Give it a color of red. Let's see, you can give it any color of your choice, and then let's make it thin like this and give it a radius of, let's say, 20 is okay. Let's stretch it out. I guess this is okay. Then we can rotate it like so and place it on different sides. Just copy it and place it. So I'm basically just going to be copying it and placing it in different places. Alright, so I've copied it and placed it in different angles. I've placed it on different areas that I want it to be. And so the next thing I'm going to do is to merge them together. So I'm going to be merging them like so together. And after I've done that, I'm going to copy it. And after I copy it, I'm going to hide one of it because I'm going to be showing you two ways on how to do this effect. So the first way we are going to do this is to add another shape, another square shape. Let's give it a color, let's say black. Let's drag it out across our screen like so. Yeah, I guess this is okay. And after we have done that, we're going to take it to the back. And after taking it to the back, we're going to merge the black square together with one of these ones that we copied. So after merging them together, move over to erase color, and after you've done that, select the red, press OK, and now the red is gone. So now we have an open space there, and what we're going to do is going to insert an image that we're going to be slicing. So I went over to my gallery and I selected this wonderful image, and I'm going to click OK and just going to drag the image like so in a position that it fits into that place. And after doing that, I'll just take it to the back, and there we have it. You can adjust, you can decide to, let's look this up, you can decide to adjust the image anyhow we want. You can bring it back to the front, reduce the size, place it like so, and yeah, take it to the back. And then we have this slicing effect. If we want, we can always change the color of this square to any color that we want. Yeah, any of these colors looks good. We want to create something for an eatery. Any of these colors look good. Okay, now to the second way on how to create this. So let me hide both of this and then enable this one. So now, as we can see, so instead of merging it together with another shape and removing the color and bringing in an image, what we can just do is just to add a texture to it. So I'm going to select texture right here and go to my gallery, select the same image, enable it, and there we have it. So we can decide to scale it in a way that it fills in this place. So we can decide to place in the proportion a bit more better than how it is now. So this is basically how you're just going to do it. So we have created that slicing effect for this beautiful whatever, for this kind of design you want to do. So this is how you know how I created this effect. So if you found this video useful, please do like, drop a comment to let me know what you think, share and subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.